this is how far I am with my orchid, nearly finished. And then I'm going to just paint in the stems, and then I have another orchid at the top there that I have to paint, and all the colors are just so beautiful. I used mostly Winsor & Newton colors for this and core watercolors, so it's a mixture of the two. I didn't use the Magello Mission watercolors for this study. I will paint something again with that, but because it's not a color that everyone have in their paint box or in their on their palette, so I decided I will use mix and match colors that everyone have. I can highly recommend those colors. They are absolutely beautiful, so beautiful. And it is raining here today. We took Mr. T to the vet yesterday for a nail clip. They cut his little nails. And also we have like I say, rain here, so it's very chilly. So I'm going to do some voiceovers, some painting. I have a bread in the oven that I just finished that is now cooling down. A lovely recipe, so super easy. We've baked it many times already. I will share the recipe with you guys. In fact, we're going to do a little project with that, and I will share that very soon. Anyway, so this is the orchid that I'm painting. This will be a tutorial. I've recorded this whole section, so it will definitely be on Patreon, and I will also share a little bit of that on YouTube.